As you probably know, Instagram lets you archive your stories and kind of keep them in case you need them again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your archived stories back and use them. Let's say I open my Instagram and I head over to my settings. Second option says archive. You want to tap on that. It says stories archive. So it is showing me all of the stories that I have posted before, and now I can see the archived version of them. So if I want to use any of them, let's say this one, I can just tap on it, and as you can see, I have this share icon here. If I tap on it, it automatically brings me this screen. It says that it's from my memories with the date and everything. But if I want, I can just remove it just like that, and if I tap on it, it will be a whole story again. But as you can see, the quality is not exactly as good as new because obviously this is a copy and it's archived. If I tap on it one more time, it will be smaller, but still it won't have the original quality of this photo. So if I tap on this cross icon here and discard, I can tap on more, and here I can save this photo just like that. It will be saved to my camera roll. Or if I tap on more and tap on share as a post, I can also share it as a post like this. I can make changes to it, and then I could edit it. Maybe I could sharpen it a little bit to create the illusion that it has a better quality. This is actually a tip I wanted to record another video about, but if you sharpen your images on Instagram when you want to post them, it usually creates the effect that it has a better quality. So I'm going to sharpen it and then tap done and next. And as you can see, I can post this photo, which I had posted as a story before. I can add a caption, tag people, location, whatever I want. And then if I tap share, it will be shared to my post. So you can have access to your archived stories. You can save the photo. You can reshare it as a story. You can share it as a post, whatever you like. Let me know if you have any questions regarding archived stories in the comments section.